Hi folks, my name is Tom Peterson and I'm proud to do this video presentation for you today on this Northwood Nash. It's a 2022 and it's an off-the-grid package, which is really cool for those who want to go out there and just be private and not hooked up to power and everything. So we'll start up showing you a few things on the outside here and then we'll go inside. We'll finish up on the outside. Right now we do have, you look down through, you've got a nice big awning here that will be, cover up a large area of the patio. The bigger the patio, bigger the party outside, I say. You do have the nice big pass through. You have a secondary door. This floor plan, a 24M model, is really super cool in the sense that you do have a nice sitting area across from each other, and I'll show you that on the inside. But right now, you see it's got the real cool jacked up tires and wheels. You've got outside speakers. You do end up having the traditional steps to get in and out, which have their advantages for getting in and out in close proximities to other RVers. But let's go on the inside and then we'll finish up kind of on that outside area. As we go on the inside, what is well known about this particular layout is it is a rear bathroom. So as we look inside here, you'll see it's got the shower, and in the closet space on the right is going to be where you have extra storage. You do have your nice big sink inside and a foot pedal flush toilet down below, LED lighting throughout, again, a nice size shower there in area 2. And you do have a nice pocket door instead of a curtain or whatever that shuts that off. As we kind of go into here, you see that it's got a nice size counter space here for the kitchen area, and it also has nice drawers. You've got 4 plus 2 over here, you'll see, and you've got a window and overhead storage as well, which is real nice to have. You can't get enough storage, right? You're going to end up having in the main living area your couch across from the booth, which I was talking about earlier. You can sit here and talk to your friends and everything and your family and have that. You also have nice light coming in naturally through these tinted windows that help add a lot of natural light during the day, so you don't have to necessarily be always using your battery operated LED lights. But with the LED lights, you can run those quite a bit. And if you look inside, you got the refrigerator here, your booth dinette storage you have with the solid wood cabinet doors. You've got storage over here, which is also a nice area, which is deep enough for a plate across in that area. And also, I think I may have pointed out, if not, you do have also this storage and drawers down below. So this little trailer has a lot of drawer space in it for those who need more storage. It's really nice. And one hidden area you can't see, but right around here by where the main door is, you have tons of pantry right here as well, which is a real nice feature to have, and nice adjustable hinges on your cabinets. The slide out itself is also insulated, so that helps a lot for those who do want to go off the grid and also in cold weather camping. In your main bed area, it's got a nice mattress, decent quality for mattresses. You've got a doorway going in and out if you ever needed to from the main bed. You also have the nice storage overhead and the closets and drawers on both sides as well of the main bed. A little bit of nook storage here. You have like a Power Fantastic fan, they call it, up in there, and also in the main area and the main bedroom, bathroom too. So you end up having a really nice area here for camping, a nice open space, and yet overall it's a very short trailer, but giving you really nice large space inside. Big windows and a nice view out there to the patio. Easy fold, converting this into a bed as well, which is nice. Let's go ahead and go on the outside. We'll finish up out there. You'll have the what they do with the Northwoods, they have a hitch here, which is nice to have for bike rack and everything. You've also got a heavy duty ladder. It's also real nice. We recommend that you take advantage of our free roof inspections that we do twice a year, and you do end up having, but there is one advantage on this company here. It builds a solid roof, so you can get up there if you did need to. It will sustain quite a bit of weight up there, so it's nice to have. You also have thick compartment doors and an area that's pre-wired for a generator if you needed to. It does have a larger hot water heater. Instead of 6, it's 10 gallon. And then your power cord that comes out from there. Also, one thing that Northwood does I like real well is they do put storage from the outside access behind that couch. So that's a real nice feature to have too. It's quite a bit of storage. And then you also have this little bit too that's behind that adjustable shelves behind that closet. And then of course this area here going through, showing you nice height to it, nice seals on the doors, and nice thick, real thick compartment doors too, with double latches. So once you tighten those both up, it makes it nice for those sandy, dirty roads you go on, keeping that out and at bay. If you look up here, you'll see it's got a cap on the front, and it's also got storage up here for some other accessories you might want to have, and it's got the larger tanks up front as part of that off-the-grid package that we talked about a little bit. That's got extra solar panels up there, and a lot of the tires and the wheels and all that stuff. So you'll have questions, and when you do, at the end of the video, give me a call. I'm Tom Peterson, been here for over 30 years, and I'd love to help and answer questions for you. So remember, out here in Junction City at Guarantee, it's an RV show every day.